How's everybody today? Are we ready to do some singing? Yes? Do you like my outfit? Yeah? All right. Welcome to the second Top Dog competition. We're going to get ready to kick things off, but we need our contestants that are going to do a warm-up song to give them a chance to stretch their vocal cords a little bit. Everybody has been aware of the updates that had to be changed, and everything's in a kosher mood. So, who's our first one up that's going to give us the warm-up song, Dave? Andrew? Andrew, come on up.